Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best tomato cages that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the GROWNEER plant cage. This set of plant cages is perfect for all kinds of creepers. It comes in a pack of 3 cages constructed with high-quality steel and covered with plastic coating. Each cage has a height of 51 inches and features snap-on arms for adjusting the height. Moreover, the assembling of this set is quite easy as it comes with all required accessories. It has 9 clips for holding the stems of tomato plants perfectly and maintaining the growth structure. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Mineola garden plant support cage. If you are a beginner in gardening, then tomatoes are the best plants to start with. However, you do need support cages for growing them. This cage set from Mineola is designed for small tomato plants that are easy to grow. Each trellis has a height of 24 inches and is engineered with a durable steel core. Besides, you can put these cages around the potted plant to support it during the growth period. All steel caps in these cages are removable and adjustable. You can use this set for other plants as well. The size of each hoop in this cage set is different and provides an upward triangle structure for growth. At number 3, we have the Flowlamp tomato support cage. This set of support trellises comes with 6 pieces of well-constructed cages. The metal rods are coated with anti-corrosion layers and resistant to moisture as well as rust. Besides, these cages come with various connectors to allow all kinds of combinations and shapes. You can also adjust their height as per the growth of your plants. These cages are safe to use thanks to the extra plastic coating that prevents them from getting too hot during summers. Furthermore, this set is suitable for enhancing the vertical growth of plants and remains stable under high pressure. At number 2, we have the LEOBRO plant support cage. This cage set is perfect for people who are just starting out in the field of gardening. It comes with 2 pieces of strong cages that are constructed with heavy steel and have extra plastic coating as well. However, these cages are only suitable for small plants, as their height is around 18 inches. Additionally, you also get 3 adjustable rings, with which you can change the position of the connectors to support your growing plant. This set is not only perfect for tomatoes, but also for basil, hydrangea, herbs, etc. And finally, at number 1, we have the FOTMISHU garden tomato cage. If you are looking for some decent tomato cages at an affordable price, then this set from FOTMISHU would be the perfect choice for you. It contains 3 cages, each of height 48 inches and width 12 inches. These cages are constructed with heavy-duty stainless steel that comes with an extra plastic green coating. Besides, you also get 4 A-clips along with this pack to hold the plant's vines firmly and enhance upright growth. Apart from tomatoes, you can also use this set for other creepers like grapes, peas, etc. Thanks to the snap-on arms, you can alter the shape of the cages as per your needs. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.